Omukoro gukwayo office ya district ya chairman wa Kabarore gutangire no kushaba mbuga nkuru za district ya Kabarore okumara imyaka 15. Richard Rwabuhinga no watwira umukuru w'entebe ya katana wa district egi kandi nagira ngo government yakozere cyamano kureba ngo ubuhereza bwa hikahihi buri muntu mu district egi
abana bantu bacyasomera mbigogo no munzuzo tubyari status of the NRM government and the district council. We have put up 5 secondary schools: Karangora, Mayombo, St. Paul's, Ichwamba, and this week we did the St. Hand of Uchiku, City Secondary School.
Omubi amagara Rwabuhinga nagirango amagombo ramwe na tawno kanso mukage ziri mu district egi oyirohoka ijura tawno kanso amagombo ragona gina marwara gari ya rengo rwa health center ya Kashatu kandi ngunamizi gashiro mu byaro
bino NRM osimira president akabitwekera tubine amayise kasanga district yarapfuye ka 5 na musanza 10 arapfuye ka 7 na 8 10 kandi tugenda amayise yo tukusigera working with IRC bana bana center. And we are using our master plan 2018-2030.
Ogu hona akoriso mu gishogo kushaba bo n'abarumunu bijo mbwebembezi okora cyone cyo kubasika okureba ngo bayiharentaro.
There are 2 words in English: clickism and caucusing. Caucusing is very positive. Tumusobora kugenda mu kurato mutekalire kwechipa kubazaye murahanura how you will conclude. That is positive. Batabora kasu yikalira hano speaker yikalira hano bale bayimera hano batano banura bali kumba yimera hano bale basal. Then those are clicks, very negative.
Every land dispute settled peacefully by this council and you chairperson, we say thank you. John C. Maxwell once said, "A leader is not one who knows the way. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way."
Omugandi obirana mukuru w'entebe ya katana wa district ya Bushenyi ayihanangiriza abanyabushenyi okureka kwebaganisamu ebi abagambiro bwabire nahayo office yo mu butongore ayizobere nyomwebazyo
kandi ntegatega ngo majwe kireje ahabo kuba ikintu cyorobi kuhereza obwa cancer ukika district umwaka wo kubanza byo kwanze kubiri makumyabiri bakakuhereza bwa vice chairperson bwa secretary bwa works bagaraka bakuhereza inkibiri makumyabiri n'endijo abunagum bagaraka bakakuhereza chairman nyenda kusima tine bugarukiro yebare munonga
and the compendium of laws relating to and relevant local government in Uganda compiled by the Uganda Local Government Association. Ebintu ebirebe nibukorwa bitagendererwa bitaba by'amadini bitaba tribalistic aho kweje n'ensonga nkuru muno aho kuba abantu baje kwiyahura basing on that nibwo akora no kurabusa icya kabiri no kureba ngo improvinga amashomero hamwe n'amarwaro
bamwe abakozere na Jafar bamusimira abokoraje kandi nawe aragana isoko ragana na chairman umusiyoriyo naija
office bagikwasa kawo ugwanje nka custodian of all government assets abo kugira ngo tamu office niba uncyakare twastaka crossing ikindi kiragiro taruho kanso yo no ekiza kubane ko mu Uganda kuruganya incyakare kandi incyakare yashangwe republic holiday. So mine is to take care of the assets that have izibampereza umutoka byo ne bankwasa mbwene kubirindirire mukama wa office the incoming district chairperson ninga LC5
nkozere nawe umwaka nkaguma n'icweka kandi tukozere ibintu mu birungi mu security monitoring government programs no mukuhereza abantu ubuhereza ntumuhendeza ubuhanguzi tumwendeza ubusinge in his new life ningashi omishweke kinde cyara atandike
buri omwe nanyuruza natozo of course ekinkure kigumire akwa twinemu already neje chantre bahagire mu factions buri omwe nanyururo ku natozo ku cyamani barakiko mutagura ntuteka ngo aba stakeholders abakuru bija kureka cyamana kuri mirimo ye abo kuba no we bantu baterira karubu
Jafari Basajja Baraba abira chairman wa katano kuya Bushenyi Tandaka kandi ogwa kazombigere bya Willis Bashasha twebaze Prosper wari ije kuba nazo mbigere bya Jafari Basajja Baraba ari ukwezi 17 kwezi oku yaheza kurayizibwa Gashakwa Jonathan Tusingwire na Onesmus Ndia nabo